Dear young friends, welcome to the new academic year 2020-21, especially for the students who are coming into second year of their engineering. You are really getting into the branches of the programs like ECE or CSE or chemical engineering or mechanical engineering after completing the first year courses which covered the sciences, basic sciences like mathematics, English, physics, and chemistry. In engineering, there is always lot of importance for these fundamental subjects like mathematics, physics, and chemistry. In everything what an engineer does, there will be a part of science, there will be a part of technology, there is a part of application. And this is what every engineer must understand. So as you go now into your branch specific, you will be specializing in your subjects, starting with fundamentals. The essential thing for any engineer's career is to have a strong fundamentals. I think this you must understand. Especially this batch being the batch of R19 syllabus. You are entering into the second year with R19. We have very carefully revised the content of your courses so that you do not lose fundamentals, but at the same time, whatever is obsolete is removed and whatever is new is added, so that you will be not be wasting your time on studying subjects which are not relevant. But being very good in fundamentals is essentially very important for engineers to solve any problem. In fact, in the engineering, especially Russians, every complicated problem, they start with a few assumptions and with a pencil and paper and solve first order with a lot of assumptions, and it will be 95 to 97% correct to the final solution. This is what an engineer should target to learn. That will be possible only with the strong fundamentals. So my advice to the second year students is to concentrate in every subject on the fundamentals and study them carefully and look at the application. Every subject you will understand more when you see where it is applied and how it is applied. When I say certain things are not relevant, like for example, when we studied long back, 40, 50 years back, a value of the resistor in the electronics you have to calculate by looking at the color coding of the rings. Today, nobody does it. No, they straight away take a multimeter, digital multimeter, measure it and put it. This is how the technology changes. So we are very conscious of the changes in the technology, changes in the industry requirements, changes in the outside society, and accordingly tuning your engineering courses. So because of the COVID and because of the last 4 months of experience in the society, we had to adopt different methods of teaching and learning for you. And first of all, we have done very well. We gave you online courses and also online examinations. In fact, I had seen many of you through your online examinations without you knowing it, through the video proctoring, and observed how serious you were writing the exams and how serious you were attempting each examinations. My congratulations to you for very systematically and sincerely doing the online examinations and passing first year and coming to the second year. Now the online content for your succeeding years, but that is for the second year, will continue for some more months till this corona uncertainty is over and till you come back to the campus. The only limitation of these online courses will be on the laboratories and experiments, which is essential for engineers. So we will try to catch up with that after you come back, because an engineer's career or study is incomplete without proper experiments in the labs and trying to understand exactly how the machinery works. And that part of it will catch up when you come back. Until that time, what I suggest is you should sincerely study attend the online classes, understand them, and do a little bit extra study during the remaining hours, and then come back when this COVID uncertainty is over, happily to the campus to be with all of your friends and to be with your faculty. And I wish you all the best in your new academic year. Thank you.
Second year BTech students, welcome you all after a long break of 4 months. At the outset, I congratulate you for the successful completion of your first year course. We have conducted the exams very successfully, and also more than 99% of you have taken the examinations. Definitely you are going to have a very good result, and the results would be announced within a week or so. I once again welcome you all to the classes, to the online classes. So now you are entering into the real engineering course. First year all through you have studied the basics of physics, mathematics and chemistry, apart from some electrical and electronics basic engineering. But now you are entering into the departments, your respective departments. That is, computer science people will go to the computer science department, EC people will go to the EC department, and you are going to the respective departments. And the departments, your HOD, your head of the department, and other senior members will talk to you after this. And also show you the facilities of the laboratories and other facilities, and also introduce themselves. Every faculty member introduce himself or herself. So you go through their instructions carefully and follow their instructions very carefully in the next 1 month or 1.5 months. Now you are from the 13th August, from today onwards, you are going to have online courses, online instruction. So this online instruction might be you have experienced it before the examinations through Zoom. May not be, for some students it is interesting, for other students it is not that interesting, we know it pretty well. At that time, that was the only technology available for you. Now, we have prepared a very attractive content with all illustrations, with all examples, and with all explanations, very attractively. And I am sure from tomorrow onwards, you are going to have these online classes in a very, very effective way. So you are requested to follow these online classes very carefully. In fact, these online classes, the content is sometimes more attractive than your classroom itself. Yes, in the classroom, only they use the blackboard and chalk piece. Very few times they use the PPTs. Now the content is provided with PPTs, with examples, and also with explanations, sometimes with great illustration for your easy understanding. So try to follow it very carefully every day and do it. And now, as you are entering into the engineering courses, so develop altogether a different attitude towards the engineering course. The attitude would be, so far up to +2, that is up to intermediate or school, and also to some extent in the first year, you are very much bothered about the memorization of the content and reproduction in the examinations. From now onwards, you have to be very creative. You have to have a totally different approach. That is the engineering approach. Every point you should understand. Not only that, every skill you should understand, and also every practical approach also. After coming to the college, you will have the laboratories and all that. But for the basics of those laboratories, now you are going to have it through online. So from now onwards, from second year onwards, you will have a totally a different approach towards the content. That is not only understanding a fit, you have to be able to apply the different concepts on different occasions for different instruments, different experiments, and different social problems and research problems. This is the approach you have to make out from the second year onwards. So apart from the regular course, you had to do 2-3 things for the very good job to land in a very with high profile jobs. The things what you can do it from right now is you can go through the some of the online courses from NPTEL and also Coursera. So if apart from your BTech degree, if you by the end of the final year, if you have 5-6 extra courses, you will be absorbed very easily. You will get the placement very easily. And also the placement and the job is at a high profile. If you work on the programming skills right from the beginning, you will be the first 100 or first 1,000 at the global ranking in hackathon and other things. You may be absorbed with high profile companies like Google with the payment of 30-40 lakhs per year, something like that. So what I request you, my dear students, follow the instructions of your teacher. Right now they are going to tell you something after the introduction, and have the clarity on the different courses what you are going to study for this semester and the next semester. And then try to acquaint yourselves with the laboratory facilities and other facilities. And apart from this, try to, these online courses would be conducted 4 hours every day, from 9:30 to 3 hours, 9:30 to 12:30. So you will have a lot of time after that for the reading of these courses, and also you can register some other courses through online and cover those courses also to equip in a better form. So this is how we have to proceed in the next year, for the next year. And then, you may ask, or your parents may ask some of the questions, like why all the other institutions are not started, why you are starting so early? Because it would be a great advantage. You know pretty well that many universities, many colleges, JNTU colleges also not conducted the examination so far. They do not know, the students do not know their fate, what will happen after 1 or 2 months, when they will conduct examinations, when the results will come out. But you have completed all those things. That is the first aspect. The second aspect is the government, JNTU University also have given instruction to the colleges to start the classes from 17th of August. And those classes, normally those colleges will use only Zoom technology, explaining through Zoom. But we are using a very high-end technology in creating the content in a very attractive form, and this would be advantage. The other advantage is from second year onwards, there are drives from many companies. From second year end onwards, and also especially third year, by the time you come to the third year, there are companies drives, not in the fourth year as in the previous years. From the second year end or third year onwards, there are drives. So to be selected in for different jobs and to have the placements readily, better to be in the advantageous situation. By the time you should complete the course, you should acquire the skills, and you should be ready to get the placement by the end of the second year or by the time you enter into the third year. So that is the very purpose we are starting the course very early, and also in a very effective way. Try to make use of it. I am sure some of the courses would be more attractive than the regular classroom teaching. Of course, after 1.5 months or 2 months, when the government removes this lockdown, definitely you are going to come to the campus and apart from the theory, you are going to perform the lab experiments. More than that, you will interact with your friends, teachers, and everybody. So I hope you understand, all of you understand the very advantage of the situation, and try to make use of it, and try to approach the engineering course or a professional course in a professional way. విద్యార్థులకి, తల్లిదండ్రులకి ఒక చిన్న విన్నపం. మీరు ఇప్పుడు కరోనాలో ఉన్నారు. కరోనాలో ఉండి చాలా భయపడతా కూడా ఉండి ఉంటారు. సో దయచేసి అట్లా భయపడబాకండి. కరోనా చాలామందికి వస్తుంది, మనకు రెసిస్టెన్స్ వస్తుంది, అది పోతుంది కూడా. అంటే మీకు అనుకోవచ్చు, కరోనా సమయంలో వీళ్ళు క్లాసులు మొదలు పెట్టారేంటి అని. సో కరోనా సమయంలో చేయాల్సింది బాగా మంచి ఆహారం తీసుకోవటం, కొంచెం ఎక్సర్సైజు, దాంతోపాటు కొంచెం పని చేస్తూ ఉంటే ఇమ్యూనిటీ లెవెల్ బాగా పెరుగుతుంది. అంతేగాని మనం భయపడి డార్క్ రూమ్లో ఉంటే కనుక ఆ భయంతో ఏమవుతుంది అంటే మన ఎండోక్రైన్ సిస్టమ్ అంతా ఇంబ్యాలెన్స్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎడ్రినల్ గ్లాండ్స్ అన్నీ సరైన సెక్రీషన్స్ ఇవ్వవు. దాంతో మనకు తిన్న అన్నం సరిగ్గా అరగదు. దాంతో ఎనర్జీ తగ్గుద్ది, దాంతోపాటు ఇమ్యూనిటీ తగ్గుద్ది, అంటే రోగ నిరోధక శక్తి తగ్గుద్ది. కాబట్టి ఈ క్లాసులు మొదలుపెట్టడం, వాళ్ళు వినటం, దాని మీద వర్క్ చేయటం, ఇదంతా వాళ్ళకి ఇమ్యూనిటీ పెరగటానికి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. కానీ అది దాని గురించి భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం ఏమాత్రం లేదు, పెద్దవాళ్ళకు కూడా. సో మీరు మంచి ఆహారం తీసుకొని కొంచెం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే కనుక చాలా ఈ కరోనా నిరోధించవచ్చు. కరోనా నిరోధించడానికి ఇప్పుడు మెడిసిన్లు ఏమి లేవు. ఇప్పుడు ఏదో మామూలుగా వేస్తున్నారు, కానీ రెగ్యులర్గా ప్రూవ్డ్ మెడిసిన్స్ ఏం లేవు. కరోనా నిరోధించడానికి, కరోనాని గురించి ఫైట్ చేయడానికి మన బాడీయే ఫైట్ చేయాలి, మెడిసిన్స్ ఫైట్ చేయవు. మన బాడీయే ఫైట్ చేయాలి. కాబట్టి ఆ బాడీని అట్లా ఇమ్యూనిటీ బాగుండేటట్లు చేసుకుంటే మంచిది. ఇమ్యూనిటీ బాగుండటానికి ఆహారంతో పాటు కొంత పని చేస్తుంటే కూడా మంచిగా అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి క్లాసులు మొదలుపెట్టారని మీరు ఆందోళన పడక్కర్లేదు, ఇది మంచిగా జరుగుతుందని నా విన్నపం. రెండవది, మీకు ఈ కరోనా సమయంలో చాలా వ్యాపారము, చాలా ఆదాయాలు తగ్గి ఉంటాయి. మీ ఫీజులు కట్టడానికి కొద్దిగా ఇబ్బందిగా అవ్వచ్చు. కొద్దిగా పార్ట్ ఫీజు కట్టండి, మీ వెసులుబాటును బట్టి కట్టండి. లేని వాళ్ళు, ఉన్నవాళ్ళు కట్టేయచ్చు, ఎప్పుడైనా కట్టచ్చు. తర్వాత రీఓపెన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మిగతా ఫీజులు మీకు వెసులుబాటును బట్టి కట్టడానికి అవుతుంది. సో ఎప్పుడు ఈ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఎప్పుడు సమాజం యొక్క పరిస్థితిని అర్థం చేసుకునే ప్రవర్తిస్తుంది. కాబట్టి మీరు దీని గురించి ఆందోళన పడక్కర్లేదు. మీరు ముందు కోర్సులన్నీ ఏ కోర్సులు చేయబోతున్నారో ఆ కోర్సులు రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేసుకోండి, క్లాసులు వినండి, క్లాసులు విని దాని మీద వర్క్ చేయండి. దాంతోపాటు కరోనా గురించి అసలు ఏమాత్రం భయపడద్దు. కుర్రవాళ్ళు కాబట్టి అసలు మీకు రాదు, వచ్చినా మీరు తట్టుకుంటారు, ఏమీ కాదు. మీ పెద్దవాళ్ళు కూడా, తల్లిదండ్రులకు కూడా, వయసు పెరిగిన వాళ్ళకు కూడా ధైర్యంగా ఉంటే ఏమీ రాదు. ఎందుకని అంత గట్టిగా చెప్తున్నానంటే, మేము ఈ క్యాంపస్లో 1000 మంది పనిచేస్తున్నాం, 1000 మంది ఫ్యాకల్టీ పనిచేస్తున్నారు, టీచింగ్, నాన్ టీచింగ్ అందరు కలిపి. సో గత 2.5 నెలల నుంచి కంటిన్యూస్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాం. నా వయసు కూడా 69 ఏళ్ళు, ముందు నాకు రావాలి. సో నా వయసు తెలియచ్చా, కానీ మనకు ఎవరికి ఏమీ రాలేదు. మ్యాక్సిమం 4-5 వచ్చి ఉండొచ్చు. ఇది చాలా తక్కువ. కాబట్టి మంచిగా పని చేస్తూ ఉండి, మంచిగా ఆలోచిస్తూ ఉండి, మంచిగా ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటే ఏ కరోనా రాదు. భయపడకుండా ఉండాలని నా మనపూర్వకమైన విజ్ఞప్తి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
It's a pleasure to talk to you after a gap of almost 5 months or so. We all missed you. All of us in Vignan's University literally missed you in the last 5 months or so. And I personally missed all of you guys because the kind of energy and vibrancy you have brought into the campus in the last so many years of my stay here, it cannot be described in words. That is the void has been created in your absence in the last, ever since 21st of March 2020 when the lockdown started. I hope all of you are taking care of yourself and staying safe. I hope your family members are safe. We want you back. I can't wait longer to see you guys. I hope as and when the government decides to open the universities, there's a lot of buzz going on that 15th of October is likely to be the opening. I don't know. It is only the today's news. And I hope you will join on time. Till such time, we are going ahead with online classes. I just want to briefly tell you the kind of efforts have been put in by our staff, both teaching and non-teaching, since the lockdown on 21st of March. The staff were on their toes in the preparation of online classes for the previous semester, preparation of online examinations and conduct of online examination for the terminal semester students, that is the final year students with the help of TCS, conduct of online examination for the first, second and third year students, conduct of campus recruitment training for the second and third year students, and currently they are extremely busy in conducting preparation of digital lectures for you students from today, that is 13th of August. So the staff, both the teaching and non-teaching, are on their toes for the last 5 months to see that, and with only one objective, that is the students' interest, which is paramount. To that extent, a lot of effort has gone. I sincerely request you to attend these online classes till the university gets reopened, as and when the government decides. Take it seriously. And these lectures, digital lectures, are made with lot of effort, lot of animation and graphics. Anybody, even a student of first year, should be able to grasp 90 to 95% of those lectures. So it has been made with lot of care and commitment. Please make full use of these digital lectures and attend these online lectures. I'm sure all of you, I have been seeing you for the last 1 year here in the campus. You will take it seriously and wish you a very, very happy digital learning experience. This is a new experience. You must experience this. Wish you all a very happy digital learning experience. Till such time, stay safe and take care, and wish all your family members also have a wonderful time ahead. Thank you so much.
Today I'm here before you to tell something about the different training programs which we give in the training and placement cell. So the training starts from 3-1, that is in the third year first semester, and continues to 3-2 and 4-1, that is in the third year second semester and fourth year first semester. So we don't touch the students in the first year and second year because they are trained in the language skills by giving them British English certification and also professional communication course. In 3-1, generally most of the students opt for software, so we give them the basics of programming, and we start with the basics of C, Python and all the other basic programming languages, and we also start with the reasoning, algorithms, and after that we continue that at higher level in the 3-2 and in a specific level in fourth year first semester. So apart from this, we also give training to the students of core departments like EEE, ECE, mechanical, those who want to go for the core jobs. So in the fourth year first semester, as you know, most of the campus recruitments are completed In fourth year, first semester itself, when you compare it with the previous years where it used to happen in the fourth year, second semester. So we give them company-specific trainings for TCS, Wipro, and other companies who are doing mass recruitment. So these are the different CRT programs, and we see that the students are definitely participating in it, and they will be benefited by this.
सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।